Once again, welcome back to TechLearn. We are here to continue our series on Notepad in Python. So we have completed our Notepad 80% and now we just need to create some more functions like open file, copy, cut, paste and exit. So let me show you first how much we have completed our Notepad. So this is our Notepad. We have created the text area, some menus, file menu, edit menu. Inside file we have new, save and open. Let me show you, we can write inside it. We can also save the file with the text document or all files. So now we need to make this open and exit functionable and this edit menu. So without any further delay, let's get started. So you need to first create a global variable like we have created above, that's with the name file. In order to save the time, let me copy paste it. Then you need to import from the file dialog, ask open file name. So let's write file ask open file name, then copy from here to this much, copy it and paste it here to save your time. Then you need also copy this thing and then paste it also here. Instead of W, change it to right, and you need to add something inside it like here. First you need to add root dot title, and the title is an open file name, so it will be os.path.base name and the name of the file plus notepad. Then text area dot delete 1.0 to end. You need to delete this line and now save it and try to rerun it. So let me try to open something as we have this notepad file. So let me open. This is an empty file, so let's create some file. Let's write something first. Hello, save it, save as. This should be, let it be anything, text dot txt. So save it, click on the new, and now open this text. So here we have text dot we are not getting anything here. I think we have made some mistake. Let's check for it. Yeah, you need to add here text area dot insert from the starting to the f dot read. Save it, try to rerun it. Now file and click on open text. Open here you can see we have opened our text that we have written. Now you need to code the copy, cut, paste and the exit. Where is the exit? Label is equal to exit command is equal to quit. So define quit root dot destroy. Now inside this copy, you need to write text area dot event generate. This is copy event. Copy this thing, paste it here, paste it here, cut, paste. Quit. So save it, try to rerun it. Here you can see we can also exit this app. Now what else? We had created the edit menu, we have created the file menu. Oops, we have missed menu is equal to edit menu. Try to rerun it. Here is cut, copy and paste. When you will try to cut, copy or paste, you will get an error because you need to mention this signs 2 times. So now save it, try to rerun it, and if I type hello, this is my GUI notepad, select it, copy it and edit, paste. You need to remember everything inside it is two times. I forgot it sometimes. So stop and rerun it. Did we hello, cut, paste, and this is not again working. I hate this. Generate, cut, copy, paste, copy. Python is a case sensitive language, and now you can cut, paste, copy, paste. So we have created our notepad. We have also created some functions inside it. We have taught you how you can create the basic notepad, create the scroll bar, edit menu, file menu. You can also create more menus inside it.